besties, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube space. So if you're new here, my pretty name is Purity. I do videos around lifestyle, traveling, and anything in between. So in our today's vlog, excuse the lighting, the power is not there. That is what I was confirming. In our today's vlog, I'm going to give you my single room house tour. Currently I'm living in a single room. So subscribe if you haven't, comment, like, and share. Let's start. This side we have this side and this side. This is my door, my entryway. This is my door. So this side we have let's start this side. Let's start with this side, then come to this side. My plant, it is an artificial plant. I love it so much. I have that one. Then we have a window there. That is my chair. Then we have my beautiful mirror. I custom made it. Then my doll, she's called Brill. Then we have my mat there. Then my entertainment area. We have my entertainment area there. So that is my entertainment area. I have my screen extension there, my system, and we have another window there. That car window. Window. Then down here, that is my dining area. Let me remove this jacket first. We have my dining area. I was having a mango. That is my dining area. Then we have some decors. Let me show you. This is the bubble candle. We have my plant, then my fragrance, then we have my cute flower. That is my bedroom. In a single room you have to come up with ways how you can divide your house. So that is my bedroom. I've divided using 2 curtains. I will not show you today the bedroom. So that is my bedroom. That is my ring light. Then this side we have that car plant there. We have that plant there. I love it. Then we have this door that leads to my kitchen. I'm gonna give you my kitchen area tour. That is the door that leads to my kitchen. We have that beautiful chair. Then on this wall we have those 2 art pieces, the art pieces. Then down here we have my 2-seater coach that I love so much. That 2-seater coach. Then we are now back to the door. At the door I don't have any curtain. You saw at the start of the video, I don't have any curtain at the door, but I like it that way. Down at the door we have this long mat. I choose to put this one here because it absorbs the dirt that are coming from outside. This is the main entry, but that one is for going to the kitchen. So the main entry we have this my mat that I love. Then down here on my living room area we have this my fluffy black mat, which I hate it so much because it keeps absorbing a lot of dirt. As you can see, you're noticing some white patches there. Those are dirt. With these fluffy mats it is very hard to clean until all the dirt get out, but I love it so much. Then because our floor is only cemented, we do not have tiles, I have used the plastic carpet, the black and white plastic carpet. I love so much. It gives the room a view that is so pretty, as you can see. Now let me stand here and give you the full view of my house. So I'm at my bedroom area. I'm giving you the view, the overall view. Don't mind that thermos, I was drinking tea. My pretty shoes.